Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Poco phone guys sound and vibration setting, and in this video friends I will show you guys how to change notification sound. Means you want to change guys your Poco phone guys notification ringtone. So how to change it in this video friends we will talk about one by one and step by step guys. So friends now let's see how to change notification ringtone. So friends before starting video friends first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video guys. So friends open your phone setting to change guys your Poco phone guys notification ringtone. So friends we will on phone setting. After on phone setting friends scroll it. Friends click on your Poco phone sound and vibration setting. After clicking sound and vibration, friends you can see guys your notification ringtone. So why we will tap here. Friends you like this part ringtone, you can change and get the drop ringtone. So guys click on more ringtone. You want more ringtone guys, tap here. Friends you want to set guys your custom ringtone. So friends you can set from guys your file manager which notification download ringtone guys you have. So guys you can set from here and you can change from here guys. And friends you have your music, your download notification ringtone, so you can change from here guys. So friends system ringtone guys, so guys my ringtone guys you can see my notification ringtone. So guys we will change into this float ringtone. Friends you can see float ringtone we will change. Friends you can see notification ringtone will change into float. So you can use guys your notification float ringtone, new ringtone guys we have. So guys how to change ringtone guys, sound and vibration guys you can change. And guys one more option guys, direct guys search here guys sound setting. As you can see guys sound setting guys we will search here, and first tap on sound vibration guys direct, and guys tap here notification ringtone, which ringtone guys you like you can select from here. And friends you want to use set custom ringtone, you want to change custom ringtone, online ringtone guys you want to set, so you will have to on your mobile network and you can change your online notification ringtone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to change notification ringtone on Poco phone. So bye guys.